After going through metallurgy, its introduction, in that what are minerals, what are ores, what are the steps, so how metals are extracted depends upon the reactivity of the metal on the reactivity series. Today we will go to some important steps of metallurgy. My dear students, I welcome for today's session on steps in metallurgy. There are mainly three steps in metallurgy. Once again, I'm clear what is meant by metallurgy. It is a branch of chemistry which studies how to extract, how to take out metal from its ore. For this, it is a very huge task. So simply it will not come out. Therefore, there are some steps involved in taking out metal from its ore. So among the many steps, we have made a simple form, three main steps. First is what? Enrichment of ore. What is enrichment of ore? Concentration. Okay. We have taken ore from the earth crust, which contains impurities. Now our prime duty is to remove the impurities. Once we remove the impurities, day by day, earlier we have taken some 2 lorries of earth crust from the lithosphere. Out of the 2 lorries, if you go on removing the impurities like sand, rocky area, mud, clay, all those, okay, at the end we reach some around 100 kilo of what concentrated that soil, that is called what? Concentrated ore. From that, using some chemical method, we take out the metal. So all these steps, beginning to end, removing the impurities, whether it is a minor impurity, whether it is a major impurity, whether it is acidic impurity or basic impurity, physical impurity, chemical impurity, whatever may be the impurity nature, our main duty is to remove the impurity. So once you go on removing step by step impurity, percentage of the metal becomes more. And this step is called as what? Enrichment of ore. We are making rich and rich, or we are making the percentage of ore more and more step by step. So this is called what? Enrichment of ore or ore dressing. See, whenever we go for treatment of wounds, doctor will go for what? Dressing. Okay. So he will using ointment, he will go for dressing. So first day, second day, third day, fourth day, after 7 days, automatically wound heals up. So every day you will go for dressing, remove that what is covered, and again apply fresh ointment powder which is needed. Then again apply bandage. Again second day you go, again remove the bandage, again apply sat. Day by day, if you go for dressing, so it heals up. Okay, that means what? That means the more you dress, the more it heals. In this case, in the metallurgy, the more you dress the ore, the more it becomes in percentage of metal and less in the impurity. That is called ore dressing. So either you call it as a ore dressing or enrichment of an ore or concentration of ore. All three carry same meaning. So once we concentrate, now that is sent to the second step. Second step is called what? Reduction of concentrated ore. Here, using some chemical techniques, we take out the metal. So step number second is most important. Metal is obtained in the step number second, and this is called what? Conversion of concentrated ore into metal or getting the metal. Reduction of the ore into metal, reducing the ore into metal. So this involves again many steps. That again depends upon the nature of the impurity and nature of the metal. So all these we take care. First you will study. Small sample we will take in the laboratory, we study. So once we study, once we get the report that this ore belongs to this category, accordingly we apply a method. Okay. So in the second step, we get the metal, that is called reduction of ore into metal or extraction of metal. Now metal is ready. But we have done by some methods, and metal we get almost or 90% pure, or 92% pure, 94% pure. Okay, or if you take maximum care during the method, we may get up to 98% pure. But getting 100% pure is not impossible, very difficult. So you have to be very careful every step. So by chance, if you go little wrong in some steps, we may get around 98% pure, not 100%. Now let's not keep quiet here. So we want 100% pure, no? So if you are left some 2% impurity somewhere, that is done here. Okay, this is called purification of metals. Already it is 98% pure. That extra 2% is there, no? That also is done here. Okay, so what is that? In the last step, metal is already fine. We go for the refine. Once again purification. So 98 is made as 100%. So here we get almost 99.99. See, if you get 100%, that depends upon the metal. If it is a gold, we will go for 100%. If it is a iron, if 1% impurity is there, no problem, because for rough and tough work, we can go for the 99% iron enough. For if you want pure iron, which is very costly, because to get a pure metal, we have to adopt a special techniques. Then a cost factor of the metal becomes more, no? That's why what I said, even if it is 1% impurity there, no problem for some metals. But for some metals which are very costly, like gold and platinum, we have to go for very high level technique. Then 100% purity is there. Okay, right. The process of removal of gong. What is gong here? Impurity. This is a metallurgical word. Gong is an impurity. So he has given here meaning of what? Constitution already explained. Okay. Now these are important terms in metallurgy. Okay. Mineral, ore, gong, already told. Flux. What is flux here? Flux is a chemical used to remove the gong. Now this gong is acidic in nature, use a basic flux. So depend upon the nature of the gong or gangue, we use a suitable chemical. So both are chemical only. To remove this chemical, we use one more opposite chemical. That becomes the flux. So when the gong is removed by using the flux, that is called slag. Okay. So what is slag? Slag is the combination of these two. So that means to remove the gong, we use the flux so that it comes as the slag, and that slag is removed. Okay, right. Now, see here, this is called disseminated ore. Means gong particles are distributed here and there, right? So this is a satellite picture I have taken, which has given clear picture where all gong particles are there, where all metals are there. Okay, so gong is more only, mineral particles less, because see in the rocky area small amount of ore is there. Okay, therefore there are small amount of metallic particles are the mineral particle, ore particle. Maximum is gong only, that is removed, and so that ultimately we get a pure metal by several steps. Okay, right. With this, we will conclude. Now we'll go to the remaining steps afterwards, day by day. So till then, have a nice time and bye.